Hello guys, so welcome to Cave Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have done with the texturing of this bottom area, also this cabin. So now we'll be texturing this part over here. For texturing of this part, what we are going to do is like we have to unwrap this part. So let's unwrap this. So very first of all, select this part. Let's go into the modifier list. Let's take unwrap UVW. Go into the polygons over here. Select the polygons. Select this part. Only this side part we need for now. So just select the side part, not the front part. So we don't require the front part. So we'll be just selecting this side part over here. So you can use Alt Q, isolate selection. We only need this part over here, only this part. So make sure you are deselecting that area. Okay, so deselect this also. You don't need this. Alright. Okay, so you can see this is left out. So make sure you just select this properly. Now into this, let's go down, go into the planar projection. In which axis? The y-axis, that is a y outside direction. And let's again go up, quick planar map, open UV editor, and let's just drag it out. So once you're done, Control I, inverse. Let's select the front part, subtract it, subtract this all. So let's just subtract this elements over here. So make sure you are subtracting the bottom part also. Exclude this. Again go over here and quick planar map, open UV editor and just drag it over here and scale it and push it in this way, much better. So I have unwrapped this part also. Now select this part again, inverse selection. Now we only need this side part, so exclude this all. So exclude this all. So just exclude this area. So I think we have selected everything over here. Again go down, planar, y-axis, put planar map. So you can just push it again over here. So select this, inverse, Control I, and also need the top part. So let's select the top part. Perfect. Exclude this. Make sure only you have selected the top part, nothing else. And go down, planar, z-axis, and put planar map. So I can go over here. Scale it. Okay. So inverse it. So we need only the back part. So exclude this. Quit planar map. Open UV editor. Scale it. Just drag it. So just push this out. Scale it. So you can just assign a checker and you can see how it looks like. If you want to assign a checker, you can easily assign a checker. You can just scale it, push this up, scale it, push this up, push it over here, push it down. So if you look at it, so this is your front area. So this is your front area. So we can use a checker and you can see over here if you want. This is your front area, and if you again go into this polygons, so this is your side area over here. Perfect. On the other hand, this area, that is this one, so this is your area. Okay. So let's go into this tools, and render UV template. So we'll set it as 2048 by 2048. Render UV template, save it, WDG texture, UVS 4, and save it in JPG and click OK. So once you're done, so let's again open Photoshop. So let's go into File, Open, go onto the desktop. Let's open that folder, texture folder. First will be your UVs 4, other folder will be, let's go back, WDG 5. That's your second image over here. Also we'll be taking this WDG texture 1. Okay, so let's first go into this, your UVs 4, take a new layer, excuse, pick the same color, pick this color over here, so just pick this color. Let's go into this and fill a color, and let's give a screen mode over here. After that, let's open this over here. We will just take this directly, we'll take it over here, not here but here, over here, Control T, resize it, zoom it, so where exactly you need it, you can just off this over here, on the top over here, Control T, scale it, push it over here, zoom it, resize this, okay, so I'll scale it, resize it, and just scale it till here in this way. Press enter. After that, we can open this reference again, U is 4, and let's take this, so push it over here, resize this, push it up, let's take this, copy this and take it over here, scale it, that's it. So again go into this and let's take that name, push it over here, Control T, scale it, push it at the center. So you can just off this over here, go into File, Save As, Texture 4, save it, File, Save As, Texture 4, JPG, and click Save. Okay. So definitely one more texture is left to be put over here. We'll be putting it up. So before that, we'll just try. We'll assign this. Go into material. Let's take again a V-Ray material. So go into bitmap, texture 4, assign it. So you can see I've just assigned this over here in this way. You can just push it more down if you want. That can be done. So let's definitely, this texture is also left out. We'll be putting it. It's just for the test part, how it would look like. So just save your file again over here. So guys, if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.